Hello, and welcome back to the Burdu channel. In this video, we'll show you an easy way to update the stock quantity and the stock keeping unit of multiple products on your website. Who here still updates their product stock one by one like this? Well, there's actually a faster and more efficient way to manage your stock and SKU. Want to know how? Let's find out. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Burdu channel. To get more tutorials, click the like button below and also turn on the notification bell. First, from your Burdu website dashboard, go to Products, then Manage Stock. Here, you'll see a list of all the products on your website, complete with their stock quantities and any variations each product may have. If your product doesn't appear here, you'll need to check it in the Edit Product Settings. Let's open a Product Edit page in a new tab. For example, this Mora Mini Plant product. This product is listed on our website, but why doesn't it appear in the Manage Stock menu? The reason is, when we scroll down, we can see that this product's stock value hasn't been filled in. Because of that, the system can't read the stock value. So we need to understand the difference between stock zero and stock not entered. To make this product appear in the Manage Stock list, simply enter the stock quantity for this product. If the product is currently out of stock, you can just enter 0. What matters is that there must be a number. If you leave it blank, the system will read it as not entered, not as 0 stock. Click Save, then go back to the Manage Stock tab and refresh the page. Now, the Mora Mini Plant product appears here. So, if any other products don't appear in the Manage Stock list, it means their stock values weren't entered in the product editor. Now, let's go back to the Manage Stock page. If you have many products, you can use the search bar to quickly find specific items, like this. Here, you'll notice two options, Add and Set. Let's try the Add option first. This means you can add or reduce stock simply by clicking the plus and minus icons here. For example, let's add 3 units and click Save. Now, the stock changes from 0 to 3. If I add 10 more and click Save, the new quantity will be added on top of the previous stock, so it goes from 3 to 13. The same applies when reducing stock. You can subtract the quantity directly. Now let's try the Set option. Enter a number here, for example 20, then click Save. Now, the product stock changes to 20, not plus 20. This means that the stock will directly follow the number you entered in the Set field, regardless of what the previous stock was. So that's the difference between Add and Set. With this method, you can quickly and efficiently manage your product stock without having to open and edit each product one by one. In addition, you can also quickly edit a product's SKU by clicking Edit here. Type in the SKU, then click Save. You can also update SKU in bulk by selecting multiple products you want to edit. Or you can select all products at once. Let's try changing the SKU for these selected products so that they all have the same SKU. Click Set SKU, enter the new SKU, and then click Batch Edit. Wait for the process. Now all the selected SKU have been successfully updated. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Burdu channel for more tutorials. Also, follow us on social media for more helpful content. See you next time!